I'll guide you through how to activate a Visa gift card without the confusion of an auto-declined online transaction or an unexpected PIN request at the register. If you're looking to unlock the full spending power of your prepaid Visa card, and so you need to successfully activate and register your Visa gift card, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. To activate a Visa gift card, first, check the card and its packaging. You need to find the activation method. It could be a toll-free number or a website link or both, which are the only ways to turn the card on. While you're at it, immediately sign the signature strip on the back for security, as many merchants require this before use. Next, you need to activate the card. This process electronically turns on the funds. You have two options. To activate by phone, call the number and follow the automated prompts. You will be asked to input the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code. Listen carefully, as you may be prompted to set a 4-digit PIN at this stage. To activate through a website, navigate to the official website stated and input the same 3 pieces of information to confirm activation. Now for the most crucial step, registration for online use. Activation only makes the card live. Registration is like turning it on and links your identity to the card. You must go to the card issuer's website and register the card with your full name and billing address, including the zip code. This allows merchants to verify your identity during online checkout. For more about gift card management, check the description below. Now that you've learned how to activate a Visa gift card, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more online shopping video tutorials. Thanks for watching.